Hi, dear children. This is your GK ma'am, and welcome to the GK class. So, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe, right? Shall we start our session with prayer? All of you, just close your eyes and pray. Asato ma satkamaya tamaso ma jyotirgamaya mrityorma mridam kamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. All of you slowly open your eyes. Shall we go to our topic? Or today's topic is different professions. So professions means any type of work that needs special training or a particular skill that is respected because it involves a high level of education. So in today's world there are many options are there. One can choose the career from the wide range of options. So this class, let's see what the professional have to say about their professions. So the first profession, engineer. Let's see what the engineers say about the profession. I build or make different things such as cars, houses, dams, machines, etc. I also make sure that these things function smoothly. So there are various types of engineering fields are there. So the engineers make a building or make different things such as cars and many buildings, houses, dams, machines, etc. And also make sure that these things are function smoothly. So the next profession, musician. Let's see what the musician say about their profession. I am fond of music. I make music for songs. Sometimes I sing a few songs too. The actors act or dance to my tunes. My music relaxes people. So musician very fond of music and make a music or compose a music for a song. Sometimes they sing a few songs. In the movies and all, the actors act or dance to the tunes. This music relaxes people. So the next profession, scientist. Scientists say, I like to research and discover new things. I mostly work in laboratory and perform many experiments. And I try to improve the lives of people. So what the scientists will do? They are like to research and discover new things and mostly work in a laboratory and perform many experiments and try to improve the lives of people. So the next profession, athlete, that is the sportsman or a sportswoman. So the sportsman says about the professions. I am passionate about playing. I work very hard to be good at the game I play. I practice a lot to improve my skills. You can cheer for me from the gallery. So, profession. So, the athletes are very passionate about the playing and they are working hard to be good at the game that he play. So, he practice a lot to improve the skills or cheers or encourage the athletes to be good at the game. So the next profession, florist. The florists say, I make someone's day special with my flowers. I arrange flowers to make glans and flower boutiques. I also deliver them to your house. So the florist do someone's day special with the flowers and arrange the flowers to make a glans and the flowers boutiques. So the next profession, detective. Let's see what the detectives say about the profession. I am curious by nature. I solve mysteries and crimes. I help good people by catching the bad guys. You have to pay me though. So the detectives are working with the police to discover the mysteries and crimes. They solve many mysteries and crimes and help good people by catching the bad guys. So this class we have seen about engineers, musician, scientist, athlete, florist and detective. We will see in our next class some other professional and their professions. So all of you don't use mobiles, laptops or any other gadgets item after your session. Please all of you stay home, stay safe. Thank you.